Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's quick demo, we're diving into a neat little feature in HxGN EAM where we control field behavior based on the selected work order class using extensible framework. Let's say we have a work order with two fields, field A and field B, and we also have a drop-down to choose the class, either class A or class B. When the user selects class A, two things happen automatically. First, field A becomes required. That means the user must enter a value before saving the work order. Second, field B becomes protected. It's now read-only and cannot be edited. This ensures that only the relevant field is active for the user, helping them stay focused and avoid errors. Now, let's switch to class B. This time, field B becomes required and field A is protected. Simple logic, but really effective in guiding user input. We implemented this behavior with a small ExtJS script you can find in the end of video. It listens for a change in the class field, then dynamically toggles the required and read-only properties of the other fields. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we've improved the user experience and ensured better data entry in EAM. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.